We have learned before how the storage works for fixed size types. However, the mappings fit into a different category called dynamically sized values. This is mainly because with mappings, we cannot really know how many values are going to be stored in this data structure. For that reason, Solidity allocates the values in the slots in a different way. Basically, it hashes the key and the slot position. For example, in the last exercise, we created an advanced storage contract and we were using the address of the sender as the key. It means that the location of H will be the hash of the sender and the slot 0 because the mapping is located in the slot 0. The result of this will be a number. The hash is also a number. And this number will be pointing to a slot position of the storage.